Realistic watercolor doesn't have to be intimidating. Today I am showing you how to paint a lifelike rose petal in just 5 minutes. From the initial wash to those final delicate veins, I will walk you through every step of this botanical study. If you have been struggling with smooth gradients or petal texture, this one is for you.
You can find all the supplies link in the description box. I'm starting with a very light base wash by using wet on wet technique here. After layering water on the paper, I added a light wash of Indian yellow and lemon yellow. Then I'm lifting the color from the base of the petal to the edges with the help of a damp brush. Now I'm adding the fine details on the petals which I can see on the real petal with respective colors red and greenish yellow. Now I slowly started to increase the tonal value of this petal by increasing the intensity of the colors. This thin layer of pigment helps unify the colors and give the petals that characteristic botanical glow. I am trying to keep the base part as light as you can see in the real petal. Now I am adding the final folds and texture of the petal here. I am using very thick pigment here, and before touching the paper I am blotting out the excess water from the brush. My brush is almost dry here. This technique called dry on dry. I repeated this process until I satisfied with the color intensity.
Between this process, I added again a thin layer of red color to match the color intensity with the original red petal.
Then I started to working on that folded part of the petal. I repeated the same process by base wash and adding the mid-tones yellow and red, followed by adding those natural veins on the folds. Then again, to make the color pop, I am adding a final glaze of the colors. Now our petal is almost done. I am just deepening the darkest shadow to create contrast. This makes the petal look three-dimensional and lift off the paper. And that is our finished rose petal. Thank you so much for spending these 5 minutes with me. If you enjoyed this study, please subscribe to follow along with my botanical journey. You can find more of my work and daily updates on my Facebook and Instagram. All the links are in the description below. I will see you in the next painting. Happy painting!